add filters in OmeTV. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add filters in your OmeTV app. So first of all you have to do is just open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just search for OmeTV, and after that just install the application in your device. And once the application is installed, just click on open and go to the app itself. And once you're there, just log into your account. And as soon as you log into your account, you will see that there is no such option to add filters in your OmeTV. Even if you click on the settings icon from the top right, you won't be able to see the option called add settings or filters in your OmeTV. So the purpose of this video to not spread misinformation regarding any of the queries that you are looking for, but to guide you with the authentic information. So you basically cannot use filters in your OmeTV mobile app. You need to switch on to the web version of your OmeTV in order to use filters. But in this way you won't be able to use any filters in your OmeTV. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding adding filters in your OmeTV. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.